Hello, in this video we'll show you how you can improve your SEO score and vastly improve page loading time, and therefore user experience, by taking advantage of server-side page caching. This is a technique that employs a similar concept as browser caching, but done on the side of the site's web server instead of the user's browser. Now when you visit a website for the first time, your browser will save a lot of the content like images and other elements. Then when you visit that website a second time, your browser will load up all of that saved content instead of requesting all of it again from the server. This reduces page load time as well as bandwidth. With server-side caching, your server is performing the same function. It saves certain content and remembers how a web page looks, so that it doesn't have to reconstruct it all from scratch. Now while this doesn't save any bandwidth, it can increase page load time dramatically. Especially for WordPress sites and others that use PHP, server-side page caching can make a huge performance difference, since PHP can make thousands of database connections every time a browser sends a request to your site. These PHP routines from plugins, installed themes, and other areas of a site's architecture have to run over and over again with every visit, including visits by search engine spiders. If you've got 100 visitors, multiply all that activity by 100. Now that's a lot of wasted, repetitive server, memory, and processing power, and it's completely unnecessary. Simply put, server-side page caching will enhance performance and reduce the load on your server, thereby improving user experience and making your site more favorable to the search engine algorithms. It shouldn't be underestimated. Let's run Diagnostics on our website at SEO Site Checkup and take a closer look at this. So here we see a few issues with our site, including the fact that we are not caching our pages. This means every time that a visitor enters our URL, the server has to fetch all of the data from the database, then deliver it to the visitor's browser. If we had page caching, we could reduce load time to the visitor by up to 80%. If we click How to Fix, we'll see a quick summary on the different methods of page caching. The first is for more experienced programmers, as is the second method for PHP sites, while the third method is a simple installation for WordPress users. In our case, we have a WordPress site, so enabling server-side page caching is a breeze. Just come to Plugins, Add New, search for WP Supercache, install, activate. Then in your Plugins tab, come to Settings and enable caching. And that's it. Our WordPress site will now take advantage of server-side page caching, making our SEO score and user experience all the better. For more about server-side page caching and how it all works, or for other in-depth articles on every aspect of SEO, feel free to visit our articles section and browse our vast library of articles or search for specific topics.